In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trading 212 with fake money. By the end, you'll know exactly what practice mode is, how to switch it on from the desktop web platform, how to place a virtual trade, how to reset your balance, and how to use the demo the right way so your practice actually builds real skills. First, a quick overview of what fake money means here. Trading 212 includes a practice mode, also called a demo account, where you can trade with virtual funds instead of real cash. You'll start with up to $50,000 in virtual money. The platform lets you buy and sell, and you can set stop loss and take profit orders just like you would with a live account. Because it's simulated, there's no financial risk, which makes it ideal for beginners or for testing a strategy before committing real funds. Let's switch it on using the desktop web platform. Open Trading 212 in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the corner. Click that, scroll down the menu, and select Switch to Practice. That's all it takes. You'll see clear indicators that you're in practice mode, and you can switch back to live mode anytime by returning to the same menu and toggling back. Now let's place your first virtual trade. While you're in practice mode, use the search bar to look up a stock, for example, Apple or Tesla. Open the instrument page, choose Buy if you think the price will go up, or Sell. If you're practicing a short position, enter the amount or number of shares you want, review the order details, and confirm. You'll notice it functions just like real trading, including the ability to add a stop loss and take profit before you place the order. The prices, charts, and order flow mimic the live experience, but your balance and any profit or loss are purely virtual. If you want a clean slate, you can reset your fake money at any time. Open the menu, go to Settings, select Reset Account, and choose a new balance. This is helpful if you've tested a strategy and want to start fresh with the default funds or a different amount. To get the most out of demo trading, treat your virtual balance like it's your own cash. Avoid massive, unrealistic positions that you wouldn't take in real life. Practice daily, focus on position sizing and risk management, and test your strategies here before switching to real trading. Doing this builds the discipline and confidence that actually transfers to live markets.